Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make a airsoft grenade out of an Easter egg and a box of BBs and a roll of duct tape. So first, you need your box of BBs. And then you need an Easter egg. You take 2 Easter eggs, and then you duct tape the end like that, because there's usually 2 holes right here. And then once that's done, first of all, you do it to the other side. This one's got tape all over it because I've already used it and it broke when I used it. So you just do that. You scoop up some BBs. You scoop up till it's like full. You want the bigger part so it's full. And then you just take the other end and then put it on. Ooh. It's not working very good because I already broke this one. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, it's the best it's getting, so you'll have something that looks like that. Then just a minute. Okay. Still got my Easter egg. Then you come out in the woods, and it works best to chuck it at a tree because that's the hardest object pretty much, well, you can find, or a rock like this. Just take your Easter egg. You might want to back up a little bit. Just chuck it at the rock. Whoa! And you saw mine already exploded before it hit the rock because I already broke mine. It was already broken. Usually it'll hit the rock then blow up, but mine was already broken, and right when I threw it, it came apart. So usually it'll hit the rock and blow up. And as you see, a bunch of BBs went everywhere. They'll go wicked far.